Welcome friends, it's Explore with Meg, your travel guide. Today we will be touching on minimalist packing for men. Imagine this. You arrive at the airport, breeze past the baggage check-in and head straight for security. No waiting in line, no worrying about lost luggage. This is the freedom of minimalist packing. Traveling light brings a sense of ease and efficiency to your journey. It allows you to move freely and spontaneously, embracing the true spirit of adventure. When you pack light, you carry only what sparks joy and serves a purpose. This mindful approach extends beyond your suitcase, influencing your entire travel experience. You become more present, focusing on the moment rather than your belongings. Imagine sipping coffee at a quaint cafe, jotting down your thoughts in a travel journal, unburdened by heavy bags. Navigating public transportation becomes a breeze, allowing you to hop on and off buses and trains with ease. You can engage more deeply with locals, immersing yourself in the culture without the distraction of excess baggage. As you watch the sunset at a serene beach, you feel a profound sense of contentment, knowing you have everything you need. Reflecting on your journey, you realize that traveling light has enriched your experience, making every moment more meaningful. So, embrace the joy of traveling light and let it transform the way you explore the world. The advantages of minimalist packing are numerous. First and foremost, you avoid checked baggage fees, saving you money and potential headaches. Navigating airports becomes a breeze. You can move quickly through security and easily maneuver through crowded terminals. Perhaps the most significant benefit is the reduction in stress. By packing only the essentials, you eliminate the worry of lost or delayed luggage. You travel with a sense of lightness, both physically and mentally, allowing you to fully enjoy your trip. Selecting the right carry-on bag is crucial for minimalist travel. Aim for a bag with a capacity of 40 liters or less, adhering to most airline size restrictions. Backpacks offer versatility and comfort, distributing weight evenly on your back. Look for features like durable zippers, comfortable straps, and multiple compartments for organization. Consider a bag made from water-resistant material to protect your belongings from unexpected weather. The Minimalist's wardrobe, packing light with the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. This method is designed to help you streamline your packing process and ensure you have everything you need without overpacking. Packing clothes efficiently is key to traveling light. It not only saves space, but also makes it easier to find what you need when you arrive at your destination. The 5-4-3-2-1 rule offers a simple guideline: pack for a week with 5 pairs of socks and underwear. This ensures you have enough for each day, plus a spare in case of emergencies. 4 tops, which can include t-shirts, blouses or shirts, and 3 bottoms, such as pants, shorts or skirts. This combination allows for multiple outfit variations. 2 pairs of shoes, 1 for casual wear and 1 for more formal occasions, and 1 jacket that can be layered for warmth or used as a raincoat. Choose versatile garments in neutral colors that can be mixed and matched to create various outfits. Remember, less is more. Pack only what you know you'll wear, focusing on items that can serve multiple purposes. This not only reduces the weight of your luggage, but also simplifies your daily choices. And don't be afraid to re-wear items. Many pieces of clothing can be worn more than once before needing to be washed, especially if you choose high-quality fabrics. Embrace the opportunity to simplify your wardrobe and focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Traveling light allows you to move more freely and enjoy your journey without the burden of heavy luggage. The 5-4-3-2-1 rule is your ticket to a more enjoyable and stress-free travel experience. Essential gear and smart packing hacks. In this section, we'll explore the must-have items and clever packing strategies that can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Beyond clothing, certain travel essentials can enhance your trip without adding bulk. These items are designed to be both functional and space-saving, ensuring you have everything you need without overpacking. Pack a compact toiletry bag with travel-sized essentials. This not only saves space, but also keeps your toiletries organized and easily accessible. Opt for refillable bottles to reduce waste and customize your kit to your specific needs. A universal adapter ensures you can charge your devices anywhere in the world. This small but crucial item can save you from the hassle of incompatible plugs and keep your electronics powered up throughout your journey. Utilize packing cubes to compress clothing and maximize space. These handy organizers help you categorize your items, making it easier to find what you need without rummaging through your entire suitcase. Roll your clothes instead of folding to prevent wrinkles and save room. This technique not only keeps your garments in better condition, but also allows you to fit more into your luggage. Place shoes at the bottom of your bag and utilize smaller bags within your carry-on to keep items organized. This method helps distribute weight evenly and keeps your belongings tidy and easy to access. Traveling light is an art, a conscious choice to embrace simplicity and maximize freedom. By carefully selecting what you bring, you can move more freely and enjoy your trip without the burden of heavy luggage. By packing mindfully, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities, making memories that will last a lifetime. Thoughtful packing not only enhances your travel experience, but also allows you to focus on the moments that truly matter. Like and subscribe for more travel tips.